Thank you. I forgot. I forgot what it's like to eat and ride. I was like, you know what? Let me just sit down. It's my first day back in the city. I don't think I'm rusty. I don't think I'll get hit by a car. But I think it deserves a warm-up. In today's video, we're gonna go to Times Square. It's been, I don't even remember, 2 years since we've been in Times Square. Chicken, egg, and spinach wrap. It's been 2 years since we've been in Times Square. Should have got napkins. Try to get some traffic footage, which has been way too long. North Carolina traffic footage ain't the same. The most I'll do is ride in between 2 parked cars, and that's not too exciting. And then the second thing we're doing, after going to Midtown, we're gonna go back downtown to Chelsea. Skate park session, traffic footage. But first, we need to finish this in peace. Quick little trailer hop. My brake is so loud. What's good, dude? How you been? What's going on? Yo, yo, yo. Back downtown. They got that fresh asphalt on 7th Avenue right now. Woo! The chicken wrap was about 1,000 calories, and I think I just burned 800. Feels awesome. And we got a little trailer bed sesh. The city's back to where it was before COVID. That's a big reason why I moved. During COVID, it was empty, it sucked, it was dirty. Might have to come back one day. We might have to come back. You let me know in the comments if you like this video, because if you really do, you might convince me to move back to New York. Still says no scooters. Yeah, we're going anyway. A little crowd today, but we're gonna make it work.
No, you're good. No worries. Your boy's an idiot for wearing all black and all black pants today when it's, I don't even know, it feels like it's 1,000 degrees. Or it's 90. Still sucks. I want to do like 2 more things here just because it's extremely hot and they're doing lessons. So 2 reasons to just cut the session a little early. I want to see if I can get this bar manual, go to the bank, and then fakey 1 foot manual to this bank, and then somehow managed to turn and half cab whip it. I was thinking about going fakie, but just going fakie down that steep bank, and my brake is extremely sticky today. Not worth it. Three tries, made it. Yo, would you guys be down to do both of those tricks for my video? All right, so get it. Introduce yourselves and where you're from, and then we'll do the trick. So go ahead.
Right now?
Yeah.
Wait.
Don't be nervous, we're just hanging out.
My name's Connor, I'm from Estonia, and I'm gonna do a deep flip.
Let's get it.
Hope I do it first.
All the way from Estonia. What is that? Damn. That Estonia power. All right, your turn, bro.
Hi, my name is Marius. I'm from Estonia, and I'm gonna be doing 4 finger whips.
You guys are nuts, bro. I haven't done quad? Probably not. I think I've only done 3. Quad finger is crazy. All right, guys, I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Bye.
No, I'm
It was nice seeing you.
2 tries for you, 1 try, Sam. Maybe I need to go to Estonia to do some training or something, right? Gentlemen, it was good meeting you. I'm gonna go ride some street.
Yeah.
Enjoy New York.
Okay.
Thanks for visiting. What a day, packed. It's the one thing about riding in New York, you have like 10 different sessions in one day versus North Carolina. You go to one spot and then that's really it. So I do miss that. I miss the convenience of having multiple sessions with multiple people and just doing random things. Riding on trailer beds, hitting Times Square traffic, going to a random skate park in the middle of the city and meeting some Estonia fans. This is sick. Miss New York. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is try to visit New York as much as possible. I do want to try to squeeze in a street session before I head back to North Carolina tomorrow. So I'm gonna see if I can just, I'm thinking Brooklyn. I'm thinking trying to get a street session in Brooklyn. I might head there right now, try to squeeze it in. So that would be the next, that'd be the next session on the channel. So if you wanna get ready for that one, don't forget to subscribe and get the notifications on and be ready. I'm trying to do these long videos more often, get these sessions going. And try to squeeze as many videos as I can in New York while I'm here. But I'm gonna be back in October, and I'm gonna see if I can map out a Ride NYC. I have a cool idea for a Ride NYC video. So if anybody's gonna be around in October, please hit me up. Would love to ride with you, I'd love to session with you, and love to just get at it again. Comments below. If you can convince me to move back to New York, it might happen. Life is a little different in North Carolina, I love it. But I do love this kind of stuff, I love these videos. Very tiring, pushing around, I miss it. It's good for you. Keep moving, keep healthy. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm looking forward to those comments. I want to see how convincing you guys are in those comments. Because if so, I might have to start looking for a property or something to figure this out. This is fun. Street session, next.